Indole taste. For this we use a medium known as tryptophan broth. This is a liquid culture medium which contains mainly tryptophan. You can also use peptone water which has tryptophan in it. Now we will inoculate our bacterial suspension into this medium and then we will incubate it. Okay. And what happens that if bacteria they're present in this tryptophan broth, okay, then they will have a tryptophanase enzyme. And they will produce indole. And if indole is produced when you add Kovacs reagent, it will give you a red color ring at the junction of Kovacs reagent as well as the tryptophan broth. So Kovacs reagent is mainly used to detect the indole, and that indicates that bacteria has this enzyme tryptophanase. Now, which are the bacteria which will give you this taste positive? For example, Escherichia coli gives you indole taste positive. But if bacteria does not have this tryptophanase enzyme, then there will be no red color ring will be seen at the junction. And for example, Klebsiella gives you indole taste negative.